We've got our 66 just about ready to receive primer. It's all been sanded down to 320. The interior of the cab's already been painted. And we're gonna get her taped up and get some primer on her today. Then we can begin working on the bed that needs quite a bit of fabrication and some welding. Put that together. Shortly we'll be putting a new camshaft in the motor, checking all the gaskets and making sure she's ready to go back in when the truck is ready. When you're ready for plastic, do the same thing. Go out and get yourself some automotive plastic. This stuff's made for paint. It actually has one side, you'll see on it. It says paint this side. You put that out, the paint will adhere to that. When you come by with your next coat, it won't loosen up and shake off and have flakes of paint all over your car. If you've tried spraying with a regular plastic, I'm sure you've had that struggle. I know many of us have. Well, we've got the primer sprayed on the truck. Our next step is going to be to scuff down the jams. We'll get some color on the jams and the cowl. And probably even the roof. That way when we paint the rest of the truck, the roof is already done. There's a nice rain gutter around there. We can delineate that and tape it off and then not have to worry about the roof later because this truck is so tall. I prefer to have the bottom good, be able to spray up underneath that rain gutter nice and not be dragging the hose across it later. So we'll get some scuffing done, we'll get some color on these jams, color on that cowl, and head down the road.